Every invention or innovation starts with a spark. We collaborate and work together to turn that idea into reality. We draw from the world around us to build, embracing technology to design for manufacturing, quality, sustainability, efficiency, and safety in all that we do. We use the latest in analytics, data integration, and visualization to make informed decisions with speed and agility. We can't do it alone. Our suppliers provide value, creativity, and diversity. They have propelled us far in this journey. All the pieces come together to connect, protect, explore, and inspire through our products and services. We continue to evolve. Our people drive us to create that spark. Always on the quest of what's next.